It's been way too long. We both know that things get crazy. The wind starts blowing strong. When the thunder's crashing, lightning flashing, you know I'll be holding you tight. I've got a good feeling there's a bad storm coming tonight. Pull back the covers, darling. Turn on your favorite show. There's weather out west, it's gonna be a mess, so we best lay low. If the power goes out, I have no doubt everything will be just right. I've got a good feeling there's a bad storm coming